Let's go to another feeder. This one's got a lot more action. So guys, these are what is called a hummingbird feeder. So this is a hummingbird feeder, and inside this the sugar water with approximately 1:4 sugar and water. If it's 1 sugar 4 water, that is what hummingbirds feed on. That's the kind of proportion of nectar with sugar and real foods that they have. So wait, let me kind of turn the camera to a feeder like this. Look at the number of hummingbirds. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at the number of hummingbirds. Ashwati, this is not Columbia, not Colombia. It is Colombia. Colombia. South American country, Colombia, not Colombia. Gauri, can I just pass through? 1 inch. At least 100 hummingbirds around us. So when they come and sip nectar from here, yeah, I'm sick of these AI comments. Anyway, that's why I thought let me make it live so that people can see that you don't have to waste your time on a computer to generate AI hummingbirds when the real ones are so comfortable with people. So for people who are asking where am I am in a part of Colombia. It's an area called Anaime. Sorry, I'll just pass through again, Gauri. Anaime. Look at these guys. They're so busy. The thing about these feeders is if I hold it in my hand also, they may probably come. Let's see if somebody comes to my feeder. Here, 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 here. Now you guys understood. So what you're seeing here are called the the indigo cap. Wow, look at this guy's ear. Did you see? That was the violet ear. Violet ear. Wait, my hands are paining. I'll just move this to... So I'll just turn the camera aside. Hold on, guys. "5 minutes, Robin. I'm feeding the hummingbirds. And I am live. How many of you want to end this live? हमारे दुकान पे भी कोई आओ यार. So as I said, guys, sugar water. This is the kind of proportion of sugar and water that is fed all across Colombia, and every lodge they have these kind of hummingbird feeders. Just a second, please. But tell me, why are so many of you still awake in India? It's so late already. Anyway, guys, I need to get going. I have a small assignment in the afternoon. We're going up the mountains to find a parrot called the yellow-eared parrot. I'll share updates with you guys. Show me a thumbs up if you like this live. I'll try my best to come live again tomorrow during the daytime in India. I look forward to showing you guys some more interesting stuff from the Andes. So look at this beautiful hummingbird feeder. It not only gets... I ruined your sleep, Pranav. Well. I have been having sleepless nights ever since I came here. Every day hummingbirds, every day some other toucanet. Look at this feeder. It's such a big feeder. So many hummingbirds here. Some of them are shy. They're not so bold. They wouldn't let you close. But many hummingbirds are very comfortable with people. I'll just flip the camera to show you how many hummingbirds are there on the other side. Look at the hummingbirds here. If I go close, they'll go to the next one. Some of them are not very comfortable. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for joining me live. Stay tuned. Tomorrow morning, maybe by around 8 o'clock here in Colombia, which should be around 6:30 in the evening tomorrow, I should be live again from the same location. Right now I'm going up the mountains. We don't have Wi-Fi or network there. Good night to you guys. It is just lunchtime for me here in Colombia. Take care. Have fun. Bye.